Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Australia. Welcome back to my channel. I'm a little late in sharing this, but late is better than never. This is the Simple Sweet Stampers tutorial for December. We are featuring the Reindeer Days suite. So this bundle tutorial has 12 wonderful tutorials in it using the Reindeer Days bundle. And this month we've actually focused on Christmas tags. So if you love Christmas tags, this one's the one for you. So this is the tag that I created. Like I said, there's 12 tags in all using that suite. So you're going to get lots of different ideas. And there's even a wine tag. So something a little bit different. I'm using Real Red ink. We also have the Versamark and Memento Tuxedo black ink. We have a blending brush, stamping blends in Real Red. I've got the Real Red and White Baker's Twine, and then the cardstock is Basic White Thick, Real Red, Granny Apple Green, Very Vanilla, Early Espresso, Real Red, and what else? Crumb Cake is the last one. And I'm using the Reindeer Fun bundle and that, what is it called? Greetings of the Season die set, which you guys know I've used that a ton. I love it. I think, you know, that die set is going to be good all year round. So it's an online exclusive. Go out and grab it now while you still can. Okay, so there's lots and lots of die cutting in this. I'm just showing you where everything goes. So the crumb cake is the front layer of the reindeer. The Very Vanilla is the second, and Early Espresso is the back. We have Real Red for our sentiment as well as our berries. The garden green has our wreath and our holly, and then the Basic White Thick is for our 2 layers of the tag. Oh, and there's also silver foil for the bell. So we're going to quickly die cut these, and I do actually really fasten this up because you guys have seen die cutting before. It's not really anything new on my channel, but it is, you know, it's great to have a die cut and be able to get great die cuts really quick and easy as well. So we're just going to do a double pass with our tags there as well. Okay, so we have all that ready to go. We one thing I didn't show actually in the products was the Real Red and White adhesive back peppermints. I actually forget to put these on, but they are on the back of the tag, so you can see that. And really just elevates it a lot more as well. So we're going to do the front layer of our tag. The reason I've done 2 layers rather than just one, you could just stamp on the back if you would like, but I just think it elevates it a little bit more, gives it a little bit of extra thickness by having the 2 tags. So completely up to you how you do it. But I'm using a really light pressure with that Real Red ink and the blending brush, which is something that I really do struggle with because, you know, I do have a heavy hand when it comes to the blending brushes, so it's something that I've got to be really mindful as I'm doing it. And then in that stamp set there is a little, I don't know whether there's snow or whether it's stars, but, you know, we're going to use that because it looks really great in the background and, you know, just adds a little bit of extra. Now it's funny, when I printed out the bundle tutorial, I said to my husband, look at all these great tags, which one's mine? And he picked one and he's like, and I said, no, that's not it. And then he picked another, I said, no, that's not it. And then I said, this is my tag. And he said, oh, that doesn't look like your sort of style. And I said, oh, doesn't it? So I don't know whether I've changed my style or I really like this. And you guys know that Reindeer Days suite, well, the dies especially are my favorite. So, you know, it was actually really easy to create something like this for my project. So I just stamped the sentiment in Real Red. I've stamped the bells in Memento Tuxedo black ink, and then I'm just using the stamping blends to color in a little bit of the bells, the detail of the bells and the ribbon. Okay, so back to the front of our tag here. I'm going to bring in my Real Red piece, and we're going to heat emboss the sentiment Merry Christmas. I've run my embossing buddy over the top, and then we're just going to stamp in Versamark ink, and I've used the silver embossing powder. I've used the silver foil for the bell, so if you want to change it up and do, you know, gold, you could do that as well. Okay, so we're just going to heat it with the heat tool until it's melted and goes nice and glossy and shiny, and I'm just going to cut that down really quickly as well. Now, the Simple Sweet Stampers tutorial, there are a few ways that you could get your hands on this. The first one is to place an order in my online store this month using December's host code. Now, any size order will get you the Simple Sweet Stampers tutorial bundle. It's a free gift for all customers who order through December. If you spend over $65, you also get December's monthly tutorial bundle as well. But you get that free with an order. You can also join my team, the INKY Stampers. My team get my bundles, both bundles, every month absolutely free. So there's another added bonus for being part of the team. And if you live outside of Australia, or maybe you already order through another demonstrator but you still want to get your hands on it, you can purchase the bundle tutorial over on my blog. So it is over there right now, and you can go over and purchase that as well. There's also a link in the description of the video, so just have a look in the description. Okay, so I'm adding my layers together. So I've added the berries to the holly, and then we're adding our 3 layers of the reindeer. And I think this is such a great idea. There's so much detail in the reindeer by adding the 3 layers together, but you could use any color combo you like. Personally, I think early espresso, crumb cake and berry vanilla work perfectly. And then I've just added a mini glue dot to the inside of that wreath and placed the reindeer inside so he's nice and secure, and we're going to pop him up with a few dimensionals as well. So I really hope that we're sort of inspiring you for a few Christmas tags. Even though we're getting closer and closer to Christmas, we're only a few weeks out. I hope that you might still have a little bit of time to be able to create a few little tags or gifts as well. And I've just popped all of those elements, those 2 elements, up with dimensionals and placed them down on the front of the tag. I'm using another mini glue dot to secure the little the silver bell. And then with our sentiment, I'm just cutting down our sentiment just a little bit and then doing a little quick banner cut on either side, and we're going to add this down to the tag with some Stampin' Dimensionals as well. And then really all we have to do is bring in that beautiful baker's twine. We're going to create a little bow for the top of the bell, and once you have that created, you can adhere that down with a mini glue dot, and then we're going to adhere the 2 tags together. I'm not actually adhering them, but I'm putting them together, and then I'm pretty much using the baker's twine to secure them together, because I tie it in a knot. And I actually have a really long hanging tag, so you can adjust it to any way you like, but this would sort of go on a present and be able to hang down from it. It's not close to the top of it. You could also put these on the tree. This would be a really great, instead of baubles, having some tags on the tree. So, up to you. But we're also going to add a bow to the top of the hanging piece as well. So here it is. I'm going to pop this in once, and then I'm going to feed it back through and go through a second time, and then just tie it in a knot. Like I said, you could have it as long or as short as you like, whatever is your preference there. Now, one thing I haven't done here is I haven't gone in and added a little bit of Wink of Stella, which if you read my tutorial, it actually says to add some Wink of Stella to the berries on the holly and berries. You know what, it doesn't really matter. You can add it, you can not add it, depends on what you're doing, I suppose. So I didn't do that step, and like I said before, I didn't add the 3 little adhesive backed peppermints to the back of the tag either, but I did go back in and do that, and they are so amazing. So if you are enjoying this video, I would love it if you gave me a thumbs up, left me a comment, and if you haven't hit subscribe, you could do that as well. Now, if you're in need of any supplies that I've used on today's card, or maybe you just want to get a few supplies from Stampin' Up, you can purchase them in my online store. There is a link to the description of this in this video, and you'll get that Simple Sweet Stampers tutorial bundle as a free gift for shopping with me. I hope that you've enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for popping in and spending a bit of time with me today. I'll be back with another video really soon because, you know, we've got the December tutorial bundle that I have to share with you as well. So I'll be sharing that with you in the next week as well. Alright everyone, enjoy the rest of your day and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.